Hello and welcome to the show. The show is about teamwork, resilience, and leadership. We live in such a difficult time, so a lot of bad news coming all over us. How good leader are you? Do you feel that sometimes the news are overwhelming, especially now? In New Zealand, soaring numbers of COVID cases, and the war started in Europe, and we're all worried about this. We're all concerned. How to deal with this? How to help our teams to deal with this? As a business owner, I'm concerned about this very much. So I approached to many international and New Zealand experts in this field, in the field of resilience, team building, leadership, communication. And some of them agreed to talk to us about this and to share their scientifically proven tools, simple tools, but tools which help the team to be stronger, to be stress resistant. And that's what you will hear in this seminar. It is free for you. Please register and you will get quite a few tools for your team. I hope you like it. Please join me.